I'm videoing you.
Here's another one.
That guy's at least got a snorkel. That's deep.
Wow, that's so dangerous. He's going through too, look. Oh, he's done it. He's out the other side, look.
I don't think the car would have made it.
No, my car would have been over the roof.
They obviously live up that way.
Yeah, there's a house round there.
See, at least that guy's going through with a snorkel, so his vehicle is
He
designed
can
for it.
breathe.
Well, it's good timing for them driving tricks.
You want to take a horse picture?